Welcome, in front of me is a Partner PS2, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is this SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They come provided in a box, so you can get it from there, or if you can find it, you can always use something like a paper clip and straighten it out like this, although this one is severely bent out of shape. And from there, once you have that ready, you can eject the tray, which is located on the right side right here. So just push that in and you'll see that the tray kind of pops out, and you can take it out all the way. And from here you'll have access to one SIM tray and one SD card, or two different SIM. So you could put one SIM like that instead of the SD card, or I'm gonna use the tray beside it and put in a memory card like so. So you can see you can have two different SIM cards, or one SIM and one SD. And once they're laying flush like they are right now, while holding them secure, you want to slide it back into the device. So this, push it all the way in there, and it locks up. I think there's a pin, yep, so pin from the SIM card. Close, and memory card should be working as well. But yeah, that is basically how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.